Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. In this video, I'm going to share with you a quick Qigong routine that you can do on a daily basis to create the habit and build your own daily practice. But before we begin, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel to support the work I do so I can continue releasing free Qigong videos on YouTube. And if you'd like to grow your practice, try something new, join me live every Sunday on Zoom. You can join my membership site. You can find all the details in the description below. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin. Begin in a standing position, make yourself comfortable, and take a moment here to settle into the posture and bring awareness to your body. Make sure your feet are firm on the ground, relax your knees, soften your hips, relax your neck and shoulders, and soften your whole body. Then bring your hands together and rub gently until they become nice and warm. Then close your hands into loose fists. Begin rotating your body from side to side. Remember to start the momentum from your legs up. Keep your knees comfortably bent. Your hips are soft, your lower back nice and relaxed. And your hands naturally follow the body. Release the back of the neck. And ground yourselves through your feet. Same time, maintain nice long spine. As if your body is simply rotating around your spine. Relax the muscle of your face. And take a nice deep breath in through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Slow down the movement. Free breathing from here. Open your palms. And just take a moment to notice what's changed. How your body begins to feel. Very, very good. Then rub your hands one more time. Keep your feet active. Move around, shake it off to the side. To open the chest and tonify the lungs, we're going to do a breathing sequence. I call it the big wave. We're gonna bring the hands in. Inhale and feel your chest and your rib cage expand as you take that nice full breath. Then when you exhale, allow it to relax and return to normal. Keep your breath full yet gentle. Breathe in through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And out. Relax for a moment. And take a moment to notice what changed, how your chest felt, maybe even the rib cage. From here, we're gonna breathe in through the nose and open through the sides. Big breath here. Exhale, allow your hands to lower as you relax your chest. We breathe in and out. Observe the movement of your chest and the rib cage. Breathe in and out. Keep it full, keep it gentle. One more time. Breathe in and out. Relax here. And take a moment to feel your chest. Check in with the sides, even your head. Notice how your head feels. Very good. Then go ahead and scroll down a little as you interlace your fingers near your abdomen. Go ahead and lift your hands to the chest, turn and look up, lengthening through the front of the body. Release and relax down. Squat down and go up. Look up, press out. Release and soften down. We go again. Lift, turn, and look up. Release and relax fully. One more time. Go up, turn, gently press out, release and soften. Then go ahead and raise your hands about shoulder height. Rest for a moment. Turn your palms and go all the way up. Bend your wrist and press out. Come up on your toes. Lengthening through your entire body as if your hands are being lifted towards the sky. Release and soften down. Relaxing as you go all the way to your feet. Go ahead and repeat. Go up. Directly above the crown of the head. Lift yourself. Release and soften down. Relax your neck and shoulders, down your back, into your hips and your legs. Bring your feet together. Keep in good posture. Hands at the waist, palms are open. Squat down and step to the side. Same time, crossing your hands in front of you. Open and turn your hand to look between your fingers. Then round your hands, both facing your chest as you shift the weight back to center and bring your hands down. We're gonna make it a little bit more smoother, so we squat, step out, open, release, and come back. Squat down, cross, open, release, and come back. Keep all the movement gentle, trying to connect and move together, move united. Open, round up, as if you're holding a big ball in front of you, and then bring it in and down. Relax here. Take a moment to relax the muscles of the legs. Step out. Notice how your chest and your arms feel. Then go ahead and bring your hands to the belly. Inhale into your belly. Move to the back. Gently push forward. Exhale, look up. Release forward. And lean so your hands go down as low as you can. Take a moment here to lengthen through your back. Then on a big inhale, we'll raise up. And exhale fully. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in as you forward fold. Breathe out and down. Let your fingers brush your toes. Big breath in. Exhale and soften. Let's do one more. Breathe in. Towards the back. Breathe out. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax here. And take a moment to notice how your body feels, what changed. Notice where your awareness is, where you have extra space and comfort in your body. Check in with your spine and your alignment. Relax your hips and allow your body weight to sink into your feet. So have that powerful foundation in your legs. Same time, find softness and relaxation through your torso and the upper body. Then go ahead and take a nice big breath in. Come up on your toes. Exhale. Allow it to soften. Bring in your breath and awareness through the center near your abdomen. We breathe in and down. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Relaxing your mind, relaxing your body, and bring awareness in front of your belly. Get close, place your hands on your lower abdomen, gathering all the energy into the ball of light and placing it inside your belly. So we always have enough energy for the day, so we don't need to take other people's energy, so we feel complete, we feel balanced, we feel energized. Allow your mind to be calm and still, and allow yourself to be fully present in your body. Relax your hands to the side. And finish your practice. Thank you for watching. I hope you feel better. Enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon.